Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. If you really want to have or maybe go for the big job, I would like you guys to go for this relaxer free haircut. This relaxer free haircut is a great choice for a transitional haircut, because one thing with this style is that it's that kind of classic haircut and a timeless style that will always give beautiful African American women that elegance and edge that other hairstyles often lacks. Because one thing with the style on the screen is that it's so beautiful, it's flawless, and it's that kind of haircut that is perfect for a summer warm-up. This is a beautiful haircut because it's a matured hairstyle for beautiful women over 50. It's that hairstyle that will make them look bold, and it's an haircut that are ideal candidates to wear. That is ideal for the beautiful ideal candidate, like those beautiful women over 50, because it will always show off your face, and it's that kind of haircut that will celebrate all of your facial features. It will help you to have full hair so that your stylist has plenty of hair to get jazzy with. One thing with the style is that it's a low maintenance style and that looks good on every beautiful woman. Always make sure you schedule your regular appointment with your experienced stylist to always keep you looking beautiful and sassy like this. I just love this haircut because it's that hairstyle that will always make you look beautiful, and it will give you that big change you want. And this kind of style will also leave the door open to more color choices thereafter. Remember, because this style is another kind of hairstyle that will make you look exceptional, and it will always give your hair that beautiful shine it really requires. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.
I get the mic, go what, go and play. I get the mic, go what?